Here's a look at our new cap, made by REIN, and it is made in Germany. On both the new cap and the old cap, there will be an arrow here, and there will be another arrow on the valve cover that you need to simply align, and then you can lift off the whole cap. Now, in order to remove this cap, we'll turn it counterclockwise and lift it open as you normally would. Now you can see here we have an arrow, and we're simply going to align that with the arrow on the valve cover. Mine is kind of worn, but it should be right here. Once you have those two arrows in alignment, the corner of this will lift up, and you can just simply lift off the whole thing. I'll give this a quick wipe down for any oil that has leaked out. We'll pop open the new cap here, find our arrow, and we'll simply align this with the arrow here and pop on the hinge. And that's all there is to it.